High gas prices are contributing to the 8.6% inflation rate that shoppers are all too familiar with.
So from the beginning of the pandemic through now, and as you can see, the tick up began a good year before the war in Ukraine.
The reason we have $5 a gallon gas is because of Joe Biden's policies, and it's the exact design of Joe Biden's policies.
They are driving up the price of gasoline. This is on the backs of Joe Biden.
Look, the day he walked into the office, we were a net exporter of oil. Things were affordable. People had some money left over at the end of the month, and he has made one bad decision after another.
We've got to become energy independent again. That will impact the supply lines. I think that's a major step that he's simply looking the other way, saying it's somebody else's fault. The dog ate my homework.
I guess what we could do is just completely shut down and discourage all new production in the U.S. That appears to be the goal. And then the president can go on yet another tour of the Middle East and wherever else he needs to go to beg them to develop more energy, because we won't do it here.
It's the energy policies of this administration. Don't build pipelines. Don't do drilling.
We see now that one of the major pipelines that's under construction in our state is being stymied by the Biden administration in terms of fish and wildlife, just whatever the excuse of the day is.
Remember, gas prices went up 60% before Thanksgiving last year, which means it was 3 months before Russia and the Ukraine situation even occurred. So what we continue to see out of this administration is, who can I blame next? Russia didn't work, Putin didn't work.
It was Democrat policies that pretty well put a kibosh on a strong economy. And again, they won't admit they're wrong, that they will not accept responsibility for this.
That's going on all across my state when people say, with these gas prices, with this inflation, they're going to food banks, they're delaying their retirement, they're shutting down their businesses.
We have sky-high gas prices, sky-high food prices, and the Democrats still want to keep American energy in the ground and are blocking energy for the American people.